Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Marakkar. It's important to understand that these are fundamentally different things. Excel is a software application designed for working with data, while Marakkar is a cinematic production. They exist in completely separate domains and fulfill distinct needs, making a direct comparison illogical. We'll explore each one individually to clarify their unique roles. Microsoft Excel is a versatile spreadsheet program used globally for organizing and analyzing data. It allows users to perform complex mathematical functions, create detailed budgets, and visualize information with charts and graphs. Professionals across many industries rely on Excel for tasks like financial modeling, data entry, and managing large datasets efficiently. It's a cornerstone tool for productivity. Marakkar, Lion of the Arabian Sea, is a critically acclaimed Indian film, an epic historical action drama. Directed by Priyadarshan, it recounts the tale of Kunjali Marakkar IV, a legendary naval chieftain who fought against the Portuguese in the 16th century. The movie is celebrated for its grand scale, compelling narrative and impressive visual effects, offering viewers a rich cinematic experience. Ultimately, attempting to compare Excel and Marakkar is not meaningful because they are entirely different categories of creations. Excel is a practical software tool for data management, while Marakkar is a work of art and entertainment. Both are highly valuable within their own contexts, but they simply cannot be weighed against each other. For more great deals, including that lifetime warranty on darn tough socks, make sure to check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.